Huh?
Are those mine?
No.
Why are you videotaping?
I don't know. I want the videotape you opening it. You just have to... Let me see.
Oh, I know how. I know how.
Hang on.
No, I know how.
Oh,
I know
yeah.
how, Dad.
Yeah, sideways. Ah! Don't tear it like that.
Oopsie.
Here, let me see it.
I don't tear it.
Because I might have to take the speakers back or something. If they're torn, I'm not going to take them back. Oh, let me get the back side.
You can't use it without the...
You want to see how to do this? I'll show you. Whenever you want to get something heavy down, put it like this. Flip it upside down. Make sure the flaps are outside. Move the flaps outside. Like this. Now lift the top.
Here's our speakers. What we're going to use for a computer.
And lay it down like this now.
Lay it down. We have this part. Now we have to get this stuff. This. There's another one, too. There's another one. And here's a big thing.
That's a subwoofer.
One of those things that... This is one of the speakers. We have to test it out. Test this baby out. Test this baby out. And it has those... I'll show you which one. Bags that has in it. It has this kind of bag in it. See what it came with the speaker?
Oh yeah, what is that for?
That's for
Do you
kids.
eat that? Is that candy?
No.
What is it?
It's special stuff that you don't want to eat.
Really? It's to keep the moisture out, huh? Keep the water out of there.
Yeah.
For condensation.
What's condensation?
Condensation is like moisture. You know when your windows fog up inside the inside of your window in your house or inside your car and it gets all wet? That's condensation.
Here's one of the speakers. This is what they look like. And then this is the plug.
Yeah, and those go up on top there somewhere.
On top somewhere. Then I'll have to open this one up now. Wait, this one doesn't have
Go
one
right
of
up
those
there.
things. Only that one had one of those.
Oh, really? Huh. That's kind of weird. Maybe they either forgot or maybe they didn't need it for both of them. I don't know. That's weird. Maybe they ran out.
There we go. This one has a fan on the bottom.
Wow.
This one has one too.
Wow.
This is the other wire for that speaker.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of different, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And here's a big thing. Heavy thing. Heavy thing. Go for Jerry, come on.
And then here's the right, the input, and the left. And then on the bottom here are the wires.
Which side does it go on? This?
It'll probably go on the ground. Like, oh yeah, it goes down like that. That, yeah.
Where's the...
Okay, I'll go ahead and get it all hooked up, and then you can listen to it when I finished. You're gonna go play with Grandpa Jerry?
I'm just gonna help you a little.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
You see the keyboard on it? It can play like a guitar.
Yeah, I saw it. Come over here, Brent. me hear you. Let me hear you jump around and play it. No, you're just down, 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 down.
You want to hear the song?
Do what you were doing before, rolling around and stuff.
Magical powers. Magic. Magical powers.
Do what Marty McFly did in Back to the Future.
What do you do like this?
Yeah, you know, like when he goes and he starts rolling on the ground and stuff.
That's the keyboard. Audience, that's the keyboard now.
After I eat, could you show me? Could you get me going on that thing since you got all hooked up and let me play with it? Or-
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Let me eat my dinner. Let me go. I can get the paper stuff. The phone's working.
Guitar, back in the time machine. Marty McFly. I'm Marty McFly. Okay, let's wrap my little bag. Lost my bag. And I put my guitar in my bag. I brought my guitar stand. And you want
Don't
to
forget your
fly
Gatorade.
first. I need to put this string away.
What was I going to do? I was going to get,
Let's do a magic trick. Whoopsies, I got the level. Let's do a magic trick. I got the string on. Audience.
wait, I got to order you guys some lunch pretty soon, huh? Did you want me to order lunch?
Strings.
Did you want me to
Yeah, pineapple and ham.
pineapple and ham?
Yeah.
Just one large? That'll be big enough for everybody. Large? Extra large?
You tell me.
Huh?
Yeah, Brent probably only have a couple pieces and all.
I'll turn into the
You want
Grinch.
a large?
Yeah, large is fine. Yeah, large is fine.
Hmm?
Yeah,
I'll
large.
turn into the Grinch after this, okay? I'll turn into
I'm
the
thinking maybe I better
Grinch
do this.
right now.
I haven't seen that movie yet, Brent.
Well, I'll turn into
I gotta watch
a
that.
Grinch. He
thing.
didn't
I
like
couldn't
Christmas
understand
stuff.
what they were
So,
talking about. I don't think they
say
gave
that.
much instructions on hooking it up or anything.
Well, it's
Getting
kind
it
of the
going,
same,
did they?
guys. Some of it's the same.
Breakfast. Well,
I don't like Christmas.
What is
I
that?
don't like Christmas.
I need to know what time you want me to order this.
Right now?
I am the Grinch. I don't like
You
Christmas.
guys hungry? See?
Yeah, Dad, we're hungry.
You said the ham and pineapple's the only kind you want, or you want half and half?
I'm the kid Grinch. When he was a little kid.
Tell me what a
They
half
really
and
showed
half
him.
Oh, really?
When he was a little kid.
Was he always in a bad mood?
Yep.
I didn't see
is.
that.
Pan. You'd rather have a pan? You want the pan?
Yeah, pan sounds good.
This $15.99, but that's too large for 2 toppings. But that's okay.
We can always eat it for dinner.
Huh?
We can always have it for dinner, too.
I don't like Christmas.
Well, we could have, I got that steak and stuff too, Tom, and okay, what do you want to order, son? You gotta know what?
Pineapple and ham, Dad.
But just one large one? Or 2 large? 2 large, $60. So we can get
It's cheaper if you order. If you're gonna order another large later, it's cheaper to order 2 large ones right now.
I have all that steak and chicken.
Okay, well we'll have that.
Okay.
Okay, we'll have that then for dinner.
Okay, I'm gonna be the Grinch right now. Okay? He has to put his
So just order one then?
way, turn away for a
The
second.
pan is better. Ham and pineapple, you just want one kind, you don't want a combination, right, son?
Pineapple and ham.
Okay, Brett, I'm gonna call. But they'll deliver. They charge us $50 to deliver. Get them delivered, huh? And then we don't have to go anywhere.
I don't like Christmas.
Really?
I don't like Christmas.
Then what are you doing with this Christmas present then?
Which one?
That one.
Well, that's not a Christmas present.
Yeah, it is.
Go which one?
If the Grinch doesn't like Christmas presents, then he has to give that Christmas present back.
He already gave it back. This isn't here
Oh.
in the thing.
They'll leave it outside your room. The kids will tear that up in no time at all. Same way with the little radio I'm going to give you. You're going to have to get any. Son. Yes, Teresa. Hi, how are you? Good. This is Mr. Jones at 824 F Street in Los Banos. Let's see, how much does it cost to have it delivered?
I'll have
Should
pineapple.
I pick it? Pineapple and ham.
Pineapple. Can you go get me some Gatorade, good? My show's
You don't
starting.
want any ham on
My
it,
show's
Brent?
starting. The
You just
Grinch
want
is
plain
gone.
up pineapple?
Pineapple and ham.
The Grinch went home.
It's free? Oh, great. Okay.
The Grinch went home.
Oh, okay. That's right.
That's why they call it free delivery, huh, Brent?
What? Oh, what? Free Gatorade.
827-8495. Yes. 827. Right. So I need how big is that? The large pan?
I hope my hands don't glow like his.
Yeah, is that big enough?
Your hands glow, Brent. Mine don't glow, but your
Yeah,
hands
but I
glow.
think I'll just
Your face glows
Yeah.
too.
2 large ones, yeah. Ham. 12 slices is 12. Should I just get 1 or 2? How much is just one? One pan. See, 2 is $15.99. How much would one be? Half of that? Are you sure you don't want to order 2? We could just give him $20.
Audience, the show will be starting in 5 minutes.
I thought you were gonna get 2.
Okay, no, I'm sorry. Let me get the 2 for $15.99. We
Show
have
will
a
be
coupon.
starting in 5 minutes.
$15.99,
You have to stay off the
no,
stage.
just give him $20.
You can't come over
But
here.
how long would that take?
This is the stage over here. Over here is the
35 or
stage.
40 minutes? Is that so enough? Yeah, if it's no longer. It's, or sooner, yeah. Ham and pineapple, though. You don't want a combination? I don't know if I like ham and pineapple, but
Why don't you get one combination and one ham and pineapple?
yeah, can we get one no, just one and the other a combination, but it's still $15.99. You only get 2 toppings for $15.99.
Hey, Brent, he's on the phone. Turn her off. Hey, turn it off.
Well, I was hoping a combination.
Or else
How
I'm gonna
much
get it and
would
throw it
a
out the window.
combination be?
You have to get it.
Okay, that'll be okay. One combination and one ham and pineapple. Okay. $3 more if you want the combination. So that's 15, 16, 18. So what's that, $18.99? Just give them a 20.
Is anyone going to be ready for the show when it starts?
Do you like
Yeah.
the combination though, Tom? I don't want to
You're
get a
gonna
whole
be ready?
combination.
Okay.
Does everybody like the combination?
You and I like the combination.
Yeah. And he just likes ham and pineapple. He's getting a whole pizza. Is he going to be able to eat all that?
He's not gonna be able to eat a whole pizza. I'll have some pizza for
Yeah,
him.
we can have I like both.
Get what
kinds.
you want, Dad.
Yeah.
And
No, you need any drinks with it or no?
no, I think we had.
I just want
Yeah.
Dr.
That's
Pepper.
$15.99.
I just want a Dr. Pepper. I just want Dr. Pepper. I just want a Dr. Pepper. I just want Dr.
They don't have Dr. Pepper there.
Okay. Cash. Yeah.
When is the show going to be started?
We have
Yeah,
Diet root
sure.
beer if you want that.
It should do it.
At Ruger? Yeah.
Be
It's
about
inside
45
the,
minutes or
Refrigerator.
about 30 minutes. And it's 824F. Turn it. Go right out your driveway and go straight down Mercy Springs. You know, right by your store there. And you turn at Ace's Hardware Store. That's F Street. And then you go down. It's between 8th and 9th on the right side.
You did it on purpose?
No, it
Gray blue house with blue trim.
When you press
Can't
it,
miss
that's what happens. It does it on purpose when you press it.
Yeah, past the apartments. Just past those apartments.
did.
Right, if you go to 7th, you've gone too far.
I can't
Between
make it
8th
do
and
what I
9th.
want to.
Just before you get to 7th, there's a... Yeah, it's a blue... Yeah, you see it. It looks like it should
Well,
be a
turn it
match,
off.
but it's really
I already
nice
turned
blue.
it off.
Blue-gray house with blue trim. And it's next to the corner. It's right next to the corner house. There's a stucco house with also a gray fence right next to it. Their fence is the same color as ours. Blue-gray. Okay? Okay, we'll see you in a little while. You're going to deliver it yourself, right? You're going to deliver it yourself? Oh, great. Oh, okay. What's your name? Lisa. Okay, Lisa. Thank you. Bye. Young Lisa. Sorry about that. I know better. I know better. Believe me. But I can get around with you. Make your day.
I just turned it on.
Be careful what you say. This is being recorded.
No, I didn't say anything bad. Did I say anything bad? No. It's 21 something with the, because it's more with the combination. This is with two toppings, but it's okay. I Okay, we're going to be getting that in 30 minutes. So it's on the evening. Shall Shall we fire up the web TV? You want to see how the web TV works? See, this is what I was going to use with my email. Is my email address still going to be the same? All this information is going to apply?
The only thing you're going to do is take your email address and add JERRY to the beginning of it.
Oh.
I'm waiting for him to be all quiet.
User ID, password.
Go ahead and start, Brent.
We already got a password, son? On there? You already put a password on for? Here's the telephone numbers. Yeah, but how do I get this up so I have to telephone number?
Wow, that's a neat way to play guitar.
This goes with you. This goes with you, Brett. You like the good boy, Brett? What do you say? Thanks, Granddad. Do you like that? He's
He already
probably
thanked you,
rotten,
Dad.
don't he? You like that a lot? He's gonna go for that, huh?
Yeah.
Man, I'm sorry I can't get you more presents.
Believe me, he's going to have too many.
I know. It's just I've got more bills than I can pay in December. I'm sort of worried about it.
Yeah.
You do too. Put that box out.
Yes.
You see Grandpa Jerry right here, Brent?
What?
See Grandpa Jerry?
No, I can't see him.
You need a bigger box, Brent. Those
That's
speakers
Grandpa
actually
Jerry.
are- you need a bigger
And there's
set.
my uncle and my aunt.
Well, maybe
I think.
They might have dropped the key in here. I don't think so. See, there's nothing in these boxes. But it could have fallen out in the manufacturer. That's true. Keep all my boxes together. Oh, you said we're going to need this to set it back?
Here's a blowfish right here.
We'll set it back in this box, Brett? Tom? Understand how we got in here, how I figured everything in here. Probably because this is like this. I don't know how this all
We don't want to
got
see
in
that picture because it doesn't look like me. There's my
here.
dad
Just fit in here.
right there.
I'm ready whenever you want to videotape me. I'm ready for the thing. Ready. I'll play new songs. I'll play sing songs. But you know what? Watch this.
You want to read the box?
I'm going to use my toes.
Anything on the box? The features?
My
anything?
toes.
Just want to put the box out there, son? Did you want to read any of these features on
No, I don't need. Watch out! Don't step on Brent, Dad.
I might need to read it to her.
I'll use it.
No, Brett, this is to... Son, I can't give you this. If anything happens to it, I need this to set it back. And then I get the original container
Is there
so it
anything
can
wrong
pack
with
it. And doesn't get
Yeah,
broken or anything.
the keyboard,
I can't
remember?
give you any boxes.
But this is the keyboard box.
Yeah, but they might want us
No,
to send
I'm
the
gonna
whole
send
thing
the
back.
keyboard back and get another one.
No, just the keyboard.
You got a box right there.
No, I don't.
Right there, but that's for your toy though.
Why don't you do something? You're just turning around. That's not the kind of music to do that to. Why don't you change the tune? Put it a little more. Boring. 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 Watch out, watch out.
It's in the audience, okay? You're one in the audience.
Stop it.
And you're supposed to go like, ah! Whenever I come towards you. Ah!
Okay, no more.
Okay, I'm gonna do the keyboard. I'm just gonna do it like this.
Man, you haven't said you like your You like your new present?
Dad, I thought you were gonna eat some. I thought you were gonna eat some. What do you call it? Some pizza.
I am.
Too much food. Can't keep teaching old dog new tricks, huh?
I'm gonna turn it off.
That's a weird turtle. That's a crazy turtle.
I pay my bills before we get here.
Did I push that?
Plays its own music. It's a pretty good
I'll be right
instrument.
back. I'm gonna go pee. Shut up.
Okay.
Where's your soda?
You like this time?
Tell them what we did.
Somebody opened it. I don't have faith with this one yet. That's for my bills. That's for my bills.
I opened it for you. I opened it for you.
Oh, that's okay. I don't want it now. No, but you know. I'm not afraid of your germs.
Well, this has germs in it because my dad drank out of it.
You drink out of it?
I'm thirsty.
Go ahead. It gets in your nose. It likes noses. Likes noses. You drink it too fast, Brett. You know what? You were laughing while you were drinking it. You can't laugh while you're drinking it.
Go over there. Go over there.
It was.
Yeah.
I need
I spilled a little bit.
You know, these ones are. Turkey dice in brown.
Come on, Dad. I don't want to plug this.
Okay, I think we're gonna go get some glasses. Okay. Do you wanna videotape? Just look inside here so you can see.
Don't look inside here.
Are those the remotes right there that you want to see? You want to take those remotes right there? Is that those ones right there?
What about? Okay, come on.
Are those the remotes over there?
Look at you.
Are those remotes over there?
You're gonna ruin your eye. Why those glasses are so strong.
They are strong. I can,
Yeah.
I can see the.
Man, don't get them all dirty. I can't see when you get them dirty, son. Those are my best glasses. Wait till you get to be 65 years old.
Boy,
You'll be wearing those
yeah, those are
yourself.
thick, huh? We can see the hair on a fly. We can see the hair on a fly with those.
I can see the couch. It looks.
Brent, you're gonna, son, it's not good.
You're gonna ruin your eyes.
You're gonna hurt your eyes, Brent. It's not good to
It
wear some.
hurts?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they're too strong. It's not good to wear other people's glasses.
But see what my dad was wearing them.
Yeah, but I have
Yeah.
laser surgery. My eyes are
His eyes are
bionic now.
His eyes are bionic. He had this bionic eyes, but remember?
Yes.
He can see clear over in Santa Rosa. He sees my grandmother sitting over there on the couch.
Nah,
Can
don't
you-
tell him that.
Can you see that far?
No, I can't.
How far can you see?
I can see up to about all.
Can you
That
see
couch over there.
Can you,
I can see that guy right there. I can see that guy right there too.
There's the eye.
Watch, I can zoom in on your eye. Watch how good my eyes are. Stay right there. Yep, I zoomed right into your eye.
well, you should thank Grandma for that. If you helped me get that. This is 10 meters. This is 10 meters. You can-
Grandpa Jerry's right
This
here.
won't do anything good.
He's gonna try to get the CV working.
This is
He's trying to get the CB working right here.
this is
He's
transceiver.
holding up.
This is no, you can't.
What's this? He
I
said
have this
no.
one. This is a transmitter.
No,
and a
he
receiver.
said no. Because I can't use that one.
Because it's a ham. It's a ham set.
Yeah, because it's a ham set.
This is a CB.
And this is the one that I have, because this is a.
What's this? This is 2 meters.
This is
You can't
just,
have that because it's a CB band.
so this
Okay.
is the radio place.
Be between
And
these
this
two
is the
here.
thing. That's the, between those two?
Yeah, but I gotta find a
That one is.
plug that goes in the back of this. Negative and positive. I have to find a plug. I had a plug here earlier.
Negative and positive.
Maybe it belongs to.
Negative, positive.
What happened to that little black plug I
Let's
had?
look in here.
I had a black
Let's see what
plug.
he has in here.
Someplace
See
in
what he
here.
has.
I don't know where it came from.
And this one? This won't work.
There was a plug.
So, this won't work.
Maybe I put it over there. Wait, let me see. Did I put it in here? Move this back.
This is
Let me see.
my first time. Yeah. I get the radio.
This might be one here.
This is a CD now.
One of them belongs to.
I can't talk in the CDs. Can I talk in the CDs?
No, not right now. Not if you want me to get the stuff going for you.
Bye, camera. Bye, camera.
Because you want me to get the stuff going for you, right?
Okay, turn off camera.
Show the camera what we're going to make.
This is the stuff for it, and it's gonna be a Christmas tree. And then this is the leaves and all the Christmas tree leaves right here. And then this is the cup, measuring cup, and this is what we're gonna use right here. So right here,
Okay.
use that one. Cause see the other ones, it's not that stuff. Oh, it's this one.
Huh?
Should I just pour it all in?
Yeah.
What else do I do? When I put this powder, what else do I do?
Hmm?
practicing when we're practicing the songs, you know who I picked? My friend Joseph.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's see.
Should I pour it all in?
The teacher said you don't want to do it. Miss B said you don't want to do that.
Do what?
You don't want to do the play.
No, it's different. No,
No.
it's not okay. I'll do it.
Come up next. Put it in the ground.
Help me a little.
Let's take it. You gotta get all the powder stuff and mix it in. And no powder stuff.
Smells good, huh?
Yeah.
It tastes good. It don't taste good, huh? When those things are done, can I lick it off the things?
Yeah.
Can I lick it off the things?
Yeah. Yeah. Put it in a higher speed.
Which one? Number 3?
Yeah.
And then number 3, huh? You like to make things, huh? I think that's good. I think
Okay,
that's
that's right. You think that's good?
Yeah. Okay, take those things off and then I'll have them. Okay?
All right. Next stage.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, it's on record. Hi, camera. We're going to do but a piece broke, camera. So we have to fix it now. What is this for?
That's where it's gonna.
Beer?
Yeah.
Is that like glue?
Can you hold that? Please.
Like glue again? Should I put it down?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hold it good.
No, we got it.
I can't move.
Why is that?
I don't go.
Hang on. What are those scissors that she had?
What? Does it dry up fast?
Huh?
Does it dry up fast?
As soon as I put the other piece on, it'll dry. Or it'll hold it up.
So you put that piece on? I'm not coughing towards our Christmas tree.
Yeah.
I'm coughing towards it. I don't have to hold it anymore. It's gonna be okay. That's like super glue, huh?
Yeah.
Holds it. It's like super glue, huh? It's like really good super glue, huh?
Yeah.
Works really good. It holds stuff up, huh?
Yeah.
Not if you just put something up straight up. No. Go right there. Can we put the bushes on? Can I do the bushes?
Yeah, but let's wait until we get this ready.
all the decorated stuff, we can eat it, huh? It'll be good. As good as a ham could be in your life. It'll be really good, huh? Now let's put the piece on. It's broke. Put that piece on.
Okay, let me get this really strong or else the other part won't work very well.
Get it really strong. But that's like super glue, huh? It's like super glue, so I can hold it up.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this piece. Put this on. Why don't you put some more here? Put some on here. Put some on here so you can put it on. Like super glue. Do you think we should put some right there?
It can't hurt.
Okay, let's give it a like long.
Go ahead. Just be careful. I'll hold this.
It's starting to look good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We have to let it dry first. Wait. Couple of minutes. But this is like super glue, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It dries real fast. You gotta be careful because it dries real fast. It's like super glue, so it dries real fast.
And then since that looks like it has a line going across there, put another line on the other side. So and down on this one. So we're gonna keep it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that'll look cool, huh? That'll look cool.
And nobody will ever know it was broken.
Look this side. Okay, make it on the other one too. Okay?
Okay.
Make it on the other side. Do the same thing like you did over the do the same thing on the other side. And then do the other side, huh? It'll look like you're supposed to do it that way, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like those need more things to hold it up, huh? Because this one is already, you stick it up and then you put two. Yeah, it almost looks like it's gonna fall. But sure it won't fall. It looked like it was gonna fall. What are we gonna do this? Wait. Can we put the bushes on? Can we put the bushes on?
Yeah. Let me see how it looks. Those are presents.
No, you make them. You make them. You make the presents with all the stuff. And this came with it too. The M&M's for the ornaments. You have to make the presents. Yeah, you have to make the presents. You have to make the presents. Yeah, you
We'll show a different stage after.
You're in the view. The thing. In the view. This is fun, huh?
Uh-huh.
I need to get over. Let me put this on. How do you put this on yet? How do you put this on?
No, up on the top. And privilege it. You stand it up, see? Like the angel standing. Like the angel upside down. If you want, you can start sprinkling that green stuff.
You can't sprinkle it on the Christmas tree. Wait, can we do it our way?
Yeah.
We can just sprinkle it on the Christmas tree? We can do it our way, huh? We don't have to. We can do it our way, huh? I need some scissors to open it. Wait, you can open it. Can you open this? Can you open this yet? Just put frosting all over the place.
Hang on, let's do that after. Let me finish because this is starting to dry up. So let me finish.
Come on, open. Yeah. To open it, I'll just sprinkle it around. Because it's going to dry up and then I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Don't open it that fast. Here, let me see if I can open it somehow. You just want to open a tiny, tiny little corner. Let me just get another thing.
It's open a tiny corner. And then there's a little hole so I can pour it all out.
You want to sprinkle just a little bit.
Just a little bit each place.
Yeah.
Can I just put it all over the Christmas tree? Can I do it? Can I do it yet?
Yeah, first do it on the presents because I'm not finished with the Christmas tree. And then that way all of them will fall on the ground after I finish putting the frosting on the ground.
It got a little bit frosty on it.
It's okay.
Stop, cool off. Remember that one? Stop, cool off.
Where's that at?
In my school, if someone's doing something to you, you say stop, cool off.
Oh, really? putting some Skittles on the tree to make it look like ornaments.
I need to wash my hands.
Why?
Because I want to. Stop. Cool up. Stop. Cool up.
Really? Is that what they say?
Oh, I see. If you're gonna.
Okay. See the tree? Turn the tree around. Come on, turn it around. I'm running out of tape. That's why I want you to turn it around. Let me see if I can get a picture with both of us.
This is our Christmas tree.
Okay.
Us
Look
smiling
up there.
good.
Look up there. Get back. Get over by the tree.
I'm smiling good.
Yeah.
I'm smiling good on the picture, huh?
Okay, turn around. Look one more time.
Okay. Okay, let's just turn it. So I want to eat some of it, okay? Okay. Bye,
Why don't you just eat one of the presents or something? Because I'm going to cook you dinner right now, and I don't want you to eat all that
Okay,
junk
I'm
food.
gonna have a present. Where's that present? There it is. I'm gonna have this one. I'll show the video camera before I eat. See video camera? I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay. Then move out of the way a little bit. And there's supposed to be a little angel